Let's take a look at problem number 15. This is find an equation line given a parallel line is parallel to and a point. So let's refresh our memory on our steps. Finding equation of a line given a line it is parallel to and a point it passes through. I'm getting kind of wordy here. My brain must be shutting down. It is past my bedtime of 8 p.m. Let's see. First step. Find M. And from within that step, we're going to write the given line in slope-intercept form. We're going to identify its slope. Identify its slope. This is the number before the x. And parallel lines have the same slope. So M is equal to the slope from 1b. Okay, step 2. Plug in the given point for x and y and the slope from 1c into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. And 3, write your answer. So let's go through these steps with this problem. 15. It's going to be parallel to negative 9x minus 4y equals 9. And it passes through the point negative 8, 5. See what form they write in. They write in slope-intercept form. Okay, so step 1, find M. And our first sub-step within that is to write the given line in slope-intercept form, which means solve for y. So I got negative 9x minus 4y equals 9. I'm going to take the negative 4y to the right side and 9 to the left. When you take anything across the equals, the sign changes. So the 9 becomes a negative 9. The negative 4y becomes a positive 4y. Then we're going to divide everything by 4 to get to y by itself. So we've got negative 9/4 x minus 9/4 equals 4 over 4y. Which gives us negative 9/4 x minus 9/4 equals y. Now once it's in slope-intercept form, then you can easily identify its slope. Your slope is whatever number is before your x, which is negative 9/4. So then, since it's parallel to that line, and its slope is negative 9/4, then the slope we're trying to find will be negative 9/4. The parallel is the easy one. Well, then we want to plug in the given point for x and y. This would be our x, and this would be our y. So we've got 5 there. And m from 1c was negative 9/4. And x is negative 8 plus b. Well, negative 9 times negative 8 gives us a positive 72 over 4. Which gives us 118. 72 divided by 4. Then I'm solving for b, so I take the 18 over, it becomes a negative 18. And 5 minus 18 gives us negative 13 equals b. And our step 3, write our answer down. It was asking for the equation line, so we got to plug in our m, which we found was negative 9/4. And we got to plug in our b, which we said was negative 13. And that's our answer. Negative 9/4 x minus 13. Now, some of you may have learned that different. You may have learned using the point-slope form, and that's fine. You can do that if it works for you. I used to teach both of them, and then I had a student from Japan one semester, and he asked me one class why I was showing both formulas. And I said, well, you need both depending on what the problem looks like. And he proceeded to prove to me they could do everything with the slope-intercept form. I guess over in Japan they don't even show the point slope form. And I like that. I like if you can have one formula that works 100% of the time, then that's one I like to go with, even if it gives you a couple extra steps.